Hey guys, and welcome back to the new video. This is the third part of the Kotlin Flow playlist, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a flow and collect values emitted by flow. How does Kotlin Flow behave in Android applications, and what is the nature of flow? In the last two episodes, I pointed these topics, but in this video, I'm going to fully practical using codes, explain them to you. Let's get started. Here in the main activity, I've called a function in this file, and this file also I have the same. One of them is main function 1, the other one is main function 2, no matter. I'm going to start with this main function 1 to show you how we can start working with flow and how we can collect the emitted flows and display them somewhere. Use the received data, let's say. For this, let's first create a function here and call it flow builder. And it equals to flow. And also here you can mention the type of it. It can be integer, double, long, whatever you want. Let me import this flow, and that's it. As we saw in the last videos, we used the emit function to create the variables that you want. And in this case, I'm going to write some random text. First value created, then we are going to have maybe a delay of maybe 2 seconds, and then again emit and let's have only this and delete the rest. So 2 values are enough here. Then I'm going to create log.d my tag flow builder started, and here again the same log.d flow builder finished. Let's import the log, and everything is ready here. Okay, now here in the main function, let's have 2 logs. Main function started, then let's call our flow builder, and then again another log, main function finished. Let's check it. Okay, here in the logcat, as you can see, we have only 2 tags now. Main function started and main function finished. Hence we have called this flow builder, but there is no result to show here. Why? That's why I wanted to show you this. In the last video, I told you that flow is called in behavior, and we need to use terminal functions, terminal operations to collect its data. So here I'm going to use collect, and inside of this collect we can have another log dot d, and collected value is it. And as you can see, it's not happy. Why? Because the collect is suspend, and we should call it in a suspend function or in a coroutine block. So if you have option, you have opportunity to use this function as a suspend function, you can use it and it works. But in my case here, the main activity cannot be suspend. So I can call it in a run blocking, either here in the main activity or here inside my main function without this suspend. So run blocking, and here closing the block. Let me delete the logcat and check it again. Okay, main function started, flow builder started, collected value is first value created, then second value created, flow builder finished, and main function finished. So as you can see, sequentially, we got all of the tags that we had here. So it's just like this. We are creating a flow, and we are using the collect terminal operator to receive the created data. And now let me add another thing here. As it is a suspend function, I mean the flow builder. So we can call any other suspend function that we want inside of it. Here I have another suspend function, get something, because it doesn't matter. You can consider it as a network call. Then here we have a delay of maybe 5 seconds. And then return something, no matter whatever. And I want to see this something here in my code. So after this emit, I'm going to use the emit. Inside of it, either I can directly call my function, or I can create here a value calling it result equals to get something, and here I'm going to call the result. And yeah, you can see it here. Okay, let's check it in the logcat. Let me clean the tags. Main function started, flow builder started, the first value started, 5-second delay. We got the something, and then 2-second delay, and second value created, finished, and finished. And you can see the timing here, and it's like that. So again, we saw that everything will be created sequentially, and this is the behavior of the flow in Android applications. And whenever we are using flow to like work on the data that are coming from a network call or something, as we are using the suspend function, so it will suspend all of the functions until the whole data arrives. Then it will continue emitting the other data. So we need to remember this, and it's useful and we can use it. So all of the other functions will be suspended until the process finishes. So that was everything for this part, and now let's go to the other function that we had. Let me call it from main activity, and here I'm going to show you different types of creating a flow. Here we saw that we can use this flow block using a function to create these flows. And now let's have run blocking again because we need it. Inside of our run blocking, I'm going to create a value and flow of builder equals to flow of that's too long. Let me delete one of them. Okay, so we can use flow of, and inside of it we can have any different types of the data that you want. And here as well, I think we can mention that it's integer or whatever. It's not necessary, but you can do it. And again, to see it, yes, exactly. We can use log. So here you can create a flow using flow of, and a set of data can be inside of this block, and then we can display them. Let's see them. One, two, three, four. Okay. The next type of using flow is to have a variable. It can be a list, and yeah, something like this. But this time let's use a string. Yeah, that's cool. A, B, C, D. And we want to transform this from a normal list to a flow. At the end, we can use as flow, and it will be changed to flow. Then down below, we are going to collect it. And again, let's check it. One, two, three, four, A, B, C, D. It's just like this. And also we can have a combination of this. Here I can have the flow block without any other function or something, and inside of it I can use emit, and here I can have number one, and again emit, and here I can have letter maybe Z. I want to show you that it can make a flow of any other type of variables that you want. One of them can be integer, the other one double, the other one long, the other one string, and etc. And at the end, dot collect, and again a log to display. So the result should be like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, 1, Z. Let's check it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, 1, Z. And we can have these functions inside of this block as well. Let's check it. Flow of builder dot collect, and again a log. It should be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, 1, Z, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. One, two, three, four. A, B, C, D, 1, Z, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the thing that I said. And we can use a shorter version of this. Instead of this, we can use emit all, and again we can call this flow of builder inside of this, and it will do the same for us exactly as we have here. Let me delete this. One, two, three, four, A, B, C, D, 1, Z, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was the final result. And the difference between these two is that when we have a fixed set of values, we are going to use this flow builder, and whenever we want to convert a list of values, extension function that can help us to convert the normal value from anything it is to flow, is this block, extension function of as flow. So okay, so that's like this, and that was whatever I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you are new on the channel, please hit the subscribe button to be aware about the new videos. And if you want to donate a short amount of money, please hit the thanks button down below and make me happy. You can also buy me a coffee through the link down below in the description. And if you have any comment, any question, write down below in the comment box, and I'm going to read them and answer them ASAP. Have a good time. Happy coding. See you.